Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some deep cleaning and decluttering. For fall, this closet needed to be cleaned up, some stuff needed to be decluttered, and then I just wanted to prepare it for fall, all the shoes and jackets. And then I'm going to share a simmer pot recipe, so you want to tune into that, because let me tell you, my house was smelling fabulous. It was so good, and it's so easy and inexpensive to create this and make your house smell wonderful and fall-y. And then I also have a little clean and decorate with me at the end. I will be refreshing my master bedroom for the fall, just adding a couple fall touches and cleaning some stuff up. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. The first thing that I'm doing is taking everything off the shelf and going through it, and then I'm going to also clean the top of the shelf. For cleaning this shelf, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's soap. It's in orange and clove scent, and I think it's great for fall. As you can see, I have my assistants here assisting me with the decluttering. So on top of the shelf, I typically like to keep extra cleaning supplies, all the dog stuff that I need for grooming, poopy scoopering bags, and then I also have a bin for shoe polish, as well as items that belong to other people, like plates and containers and things like that, usually my mom, my mother-in-law, or my sisters. And then I have a bin that I keep like outdoor blankets, couple extra leashes, the big leashes for outside. I also keep some sunscreen and bug spray, and then I have a bin for some slippers as well, and a first aid kit. Some of these needed some more labels, so I was just creating labels. And I have I buy the chalkboard stickers from Dollar Tree. It's a sheet of them, and then I just cut them out and write with the chalkboard marker. And I love these, the way these look. And then I just use some packing tape to secure them to the bins.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night.
Once the top of the shelf was done, I moved on to the bottom. I needed to declutter all the flip-flops and sandals that we are no longer going to be using, and just organizing all the shoes onto the shelf, so that way I can fit more boots when the time comes for them. Right now we're in mostly running shoes and shoe stage, but haven't had to pull out the boots. I've noticed I haven't brought my rain boots down yet, so I will have to do that as well. And then onto the sides, I have a bin with umbrellas as well as a bin holding all of my grocery bags. So those needed to be just organized a little bit because they were just thrown into the corner. I also swept everything up. I was going to vacuum, but my son was doing an interview for a co-op position at this time, so I didn't want it to make any noise. This looks so much better. There's room on the bottom for the boots. I brought all the raincoats and fall jackets to the front, so that way we're not reaching and knocking jackets down at the back. And here's everything nicely labeled and ready for fall, I guess. And now I'm going to move on and make this recipe because I wanted to go decorate upstairs and I wanted to set the mood a little bit. So I have a pot of water here that I'm going to turn on for boiling. And I'm going to add 1 apple, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 stars of anise, and as well as 2 cinnamon sticks. This smelled so good. And it's so easy to make. I had everything on hand and I just let this simmer for a couple hours and the house smelled fabulous. So we moved on to the upstairs and I'm going to be making the bed, adding new sheets. I put them to wash this morning, so I want to add they are all nice and dry and ready to go on the bed. And I'm not sure whether he has a radar for whenever I'm making the bed, because the minute I start making the bed, he jumps on it and doesn't really want me to do it. Every single morning he does this. So while he was on there, I decided that before I do anything, I should really dust the headboard and add the fall garland on it. I have started doing this last Christmas and I absolutely love the way it looks. So I've been doing it now for past 2 seasons. I did one for winter as well as some for spring and summer.
To your old life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. We're standing on the dizzying heights. We're standing on the dizzying heights.
I'm also going to be swapping out the pillows cases for my Eurosham pillows or Eurostyle pillows. I have these plaid, one brown and white plaid pillowcases, and I thought these would look really nice for fall.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't.
I also like to add blankets to the bottom of the bed. I was, however, finding that this one was clashing a little bit with the other plaid, so I just flipped it over and had the white showing, which I think looked just fine. And they're the heavy duty Sherpa blankets in the queen size. My bed is king size, but I think it fits really nice, and I like this for, you know, those extra cozy little naps in the afternoon, if on the weekends, or to protect my duvet from the dogs as well. They don't sleep with us, but however, they like to hang out here for some reason. Now that my centerpiece, my bed, was made up, I am cleaning up the floor of just, there was some clothes that needed to be put away, and some ripped up toilet paper rolls that they pulled out of the garbage. If you don't know, they're still puppies. The white and black one, which is named Frank, he's going to be actually a year at the end of the month, and Duke will be 2 years in January. So fairly young, very silly still. So always something happening with them. So once I tidied up everything, I am going to decorate. I had deep cleaned my bedroom just a couple days ago, so I don't need to be dusting. I will be just swapping out some decor, and I'm going to be starting over here on my mantle. This is an electric fireplace, and I had picked up the whole thing, the fireplace and the mantle, off of Kijiji for $80. I had upcycled it. I have a video over on my DIY channel on how I did that. If you want to see it, I will link it in the description box. It was quite ugly, I must say, with shelves on the side. Not my style anyways. Aside from greenery, almost everything that I'm adding here are my DIYs that I've created over on my DIY channel. Once I was finished with the fireplace, I moved on to my dressers, and the first one I have just added a couple pieces just so it's not overwhelming. And I just like the little subtle fall pieces here and there. I have added some of these candles that I made just this week, and I share that as well on my DIY channel, and I just love the way they smell. So I put one here, and I'm going to put one in my master bedroom. And as you can see, they switched places. The Duke went downstairs, and now Frank's keeping me company. And over here I always have this glass vase with or bowl with some flowers, so I'm switching that up for a wood crate, and I'm adding some fall flowers in it. So here it is. I love the way the room ended up looking. A few fall pieces, but enough that it gives you those fall vibes, and the smell going through my house is so great. It just fits perfectly. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.